Hello there and welcome to your daily Qigong practice. Today we have a breathing session. So if you're practicing first thing in the morning, this is great for awakening the senses, give you that natural boost of energy, lift up your mood. If you're doing it midday or even towards the evening, it really helps to quiet the mind, to clear the head and refocus your energy, transforming stress into calm. But before we begin, if you like short videos on YouTube and you think you can benefit from a longer routines or maybe join me live every Sunday on Zoom, consider joining my membership site. You can find all the information in the description below. Let's begin today's practice. So we'll begin in a standing position. Make sure your feet are firmly planted on the ground. Unlock your knees, relax your hips. Then bring your tailbone forward and lengthen down. It feels as if you're kind of dropping it down, as if you have a nice cushion underneath your bum. So your lower back feels flat and it actually helps to open up. So if you have any tension in your lower back, this is a nice way to kind of adjust and alleviate those spasms and aches. Bring your chin slightly in to lengthen through the back of the neck. You want to feel your spine like a stack of coins, nicely and neatly stacked one on top of another. And then continue all the way to the top of your head, extending beyond your body, feeling yourself elongating through your spine. Good. We're going to do a little bit of prep to make sure we stimulate a few points related to the lungs, help us breathe better, help to open the nasal pathways. I like to start with warming up my hands. And then massage the sides of the nose. All the way to the bridge. You can even take it to the third eye. Bring some warmth to your nose, to the pathways. Good. Okay. Grab your hands one more time and then take the base of your thumb, place it directly at the center of your chest. And we're going to massage the chest. Just gentle strokes up and down a few times, trying to bring awareness to your chest area, generate some warmth. Massaging this area also helps with anxiety and panic attacks, helps to rebalance the heart chi. Good, and then do the same. So grab your thumb, trying to really feel that warmth going through, connecting your mind to your physical body. Good, relax, shake loose, and let's begin to breathe. We're going to do in and out the nose, nice and steady. Keep it consistent without overdoing it. So staying true to your breath, I like to say that. And then first hands draw in, take a nice deep breath in, arms go up. And exhale. Hearing your breath leaving your body. And again, breathe in. Breathe out. Take your time to complete your inhalation. And then full exhale, emptying your lungs. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Just stay present, stay aware. Enjoying the sound of your own breath. Slowly bringing the mind into the body. Very good. From here, inhale, lean to the side. Make sure you breathe in well. So the breath comes first, the movement follows. Exhale. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. And out. Breathe in. And out. One more time on this side. Exhale. Very good. From here, we're going to step forward, and the lung meridian that supplies the energy to the lungs comes out right at the shoulder and travels down your arm. The thumb is the last point here on your thumb. So when we're going to be moving forward, I want you to pay attention to that line. Helps to stimulate and tonify the energy in this meridian. So your thumbs will be pointing upwards. You're kind of trying to stretch a little bit. And then as you shift away to the back, leave yourself a comfortable distance between your 2 feet. We're going to slide the hands to the back. And again, power in with our breath. Inhale, shifting the weight forward. Open your chest. Exhale. Breathe in. Breathe out. Make sure your breath stays consistent. It's full. It's nourishing. Inhale as you move forward. Exhale. Inhale one more time. Exhale. Then you bring your leg together. Step. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale up. Exhale. Once more. Breathe in. Breathe out. Bring your leg with you. Inhale. And exhale down the center. Relax in your entire body. Then draw your hands to your abdomen to finish. We want to deepen our breath and concentrate, work with the energy center that is called the lower dantian. Also using the diaphragm to help us send our breath deeper into the lungs. This is what we're going to do. We're going to inhale and lock your knees and let your belly expand. Then stand a little straighter, a little taller, moving the belly in towards the lower back. Inhale and lock your knees, feel that expansion. Exhale, softly moving the belly in. Slight bend in the knees, you don't need to go low. As soon as you kind of still keep your thighs relaxed, just giving way in your knees. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. So it's all about your breath. Begin to slow down your breath. Begin to deepen your breath. Becoming more and more aware of how you breathe in. Belly expands on the inhale, belly contracts on the exhale. Your breath is becoming softer and softer, more relaxed. Very good. And one more time. Exhale. And then let your belly rest in your hands. So place them just below the navel. Take a moment to notice what changed in your body, physically, mentally, maybe even emotionally. Just simply become aware how you feel. Very good. Bring your feet together and finish your practice. Thank you very much for joining me. I hope this short breathing sequence was helpful. You can practice it multiple times a day or whenever you need it. Enjoy the rest of your day, keep well, and I'll see you soon. Thank you for joining me today. If you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to click a subscribe button so you don't miss any future videos or live streams. I wish you a great health and see you next time.